TSA accepted. They can open your lock with a special key to check your luggage. The red alert indicator will pop up. TSA cannot change your code. Only your code resets the alert. TSA accepted inspection helps ensure your luggage stays safe and undamaged. High contrast black and white dials, easy to read in most lighting, low vision friendly. Larger side unlock button for effortless pressing. Extended durable steel cable for versatile use. Zinc alloy body, stronger and more durable than standard locks. Lifetime warranty you can count on. Simple, fast, hassle-free. Multiple colors to suit your style.